Welcome to Rate Funnels, and thank you for allowing us to take part in your Shopify story. We've seen Rate Funnels dramatically increase the average order value of some of our Shopify stores, and we believe that you will see similar results too. So, let's get started with your first funnel. Creating a new funnel is easy. You can create one from scratch, or select from these success-proven templates. Let's try this frequently bought together template. Here in the funnel flow editor is where you will edit and customize your funnel. First, we will add a product trigger. A product trigger is what causes a pop-up to appear. This will start your customer's funnel journey. You can choose anything from a single variant to multiple products. In our example, we will select a coffee machine. Next, we will edit our pop-up. Choose the products that you would like to offer in the pop-up. The products you choose should complement the product trigger. In our example, we will choose a coffee bean grinder and a bag of coffee beans. Next, go all out to convince them on why they should take up on your offer with our pop-up designer. Tell them with fonts, tell them with pictures, or even better, tell them with a YouTube video. You can even add discount badges or ribbons to help some products stand out. If you'd like to create more steps to your funnel, you can do so by clicking on the plus button. You can choose between adding a single step or adding a split outcome. A single step creates another pop-up that customers are sent to, regardless of whether they've accepted or rejected an offer in the previous pop-up. A split outcome, on the other hand, allows you to create two different paths that show different pop-ups depending on whether a customer accepts or declines your offer. We're almost done, but before we finish, let's decide where your customers go when they end their funnel journey. Click on Settings and choose to continue with your theme's default, or send your customers directly to either their cart or the checkout screen. Now let's give this funnel a spin by previewing it here. Once you are satisfied with how your funnel looks, you can publish your funnel by clicking on this button and letting your funnel do its job. You can come back after some time to check out the analytics of your funnel to see how well it's performing. Use this data to keep optimizing your funnel for maximum results. And that's all to it. If you need help at any point in time, just reach out to us. You can do that by pressing on this button. So, go ahead. Click on Create Funnel below and begin your Rate Funnels journey.